All right. Hello. We are going to work on the rock cycle presentation today. This is going to be something you will work on Thursday and some of Friday, and then it will be due. So it's a lot of work, and that's the point. Okay, so you have to be on task, really focused with this. Don't have any unnecessary tabs open. This is going to take all of your time. So don't think that you can take your time and then get serious maybe Friday. No, you have to start really strong right off the bat. So here we go. You will have clicked, first of all, find rock cycle presentation at the top of your assignment stream and click open. Okay, yours obviously looks different than mine. Mine is the teacher dashboard. Click open, and then once you're in there, well, obviously you found it because you're watching this video, right? You're going to be completing this rock cycle student presentation, okay? And you'll only be able to find it once you click open on the assignment stream, okay? So when you click on it, you will see so this is your copy of the slideshow, okay? Now your job is to fill it in. Every slide will have information that you will have to complete to make this a complete slideshow. Anytime you see brackets, like these are brackets right here, that means that you need to replace this with your information, okay? So the way you'll do that is you can highlight it, right? And then just write the information, right? So it could be Jeff Sand for mine. Obviously, you're going to put your name for yours, okay? I'm going to return it to the way it was. Go through these slide by slide and fill in the information. You might want to just kind of look at all the slides first just to get a picture for what's expected and then get to it. But let's walk through this. The first one, what is the rock cycle? Follow these instructions and fill in this information that's being asked of you. I would recommend leaving the instructions, skipping a line by pressing enter underneath here, and write out your information here. When you're done and you have answered this, then go ahead and delete the instructions. The reason I think you should wait till you've written out your answers before you delete those instructions is because you don't want to delete the instructions and then forget what they were, okay? Now where it says insert a picture here, what I want you to do is go ahead and just delete that, right, so that it's not in that space. No, actually you can leave that there. I'll take that back. Click inside the box. You're going to go up to Insert, Image, and then you have these options of where to find the picture. Go to Search, and you can actually search Google. So I might search rock cycle. And hopefully find a cool diagram. This one looks pretty good. I'll click it, press select. Then I need to resize it. If I click down and move it, I can move it to where I want it. This is a pretty good size. If I wanted to make it a different size, I'll go to the corner so I have see how it turns into a diagonal arrow? I'll click down and then I can move it and it stays to scale. If I try to move it from side, see how it like stretches it? It looks funky. So that's why you have to use the corner square and move it that way. That way it will still look good as you change sizes. So that would be a good picture for that one. And then your information will be here. All right? So what we need to do, I'm just going to delete this, is do this for every page. Right? For mechanical weathering, it's asking what is mechanical weathering. And in fact, I'm going to add something else to this. Give examples of what mechanical weathering is in nature. You can answer that down here, then delete the instructions, put a picture here. You're ready to move on. So remember, you have Thursday and Friday, most of Friday, not all of Friday, to do these. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slides. Now the last one is going to be the most challenging. Why it matters. I want you to get on Google, do some research, find a career in which scientist or professional works with rocks. Right? working with rocks is part of what they do for their work. I want you to also write, why do they need to understand the rock cycle? And then why is their work that they're doing in their career, why is it important? And then include a picture of maybe a person doing that job or some picture that's related to that career you identified. Okay? Now, obviously, if you need to find information for this, you have Google at your disposal. You can open up another tab. Or you can go back to the assignment stream, scroll down. You can watch the pre-lab Educanon. That'd be a good one. You can watch the Introduction to the Rock Cycle slideshows. You can read the article. You can watch this BBC clip. There's several items that you can access to be able to complete this. When you're done, turn it in. And if you have time, you can finish any of these assignments you haven't finished. If you need to work on the post-lab, work on that. If you need to work on the article, work on that. If you're done with everything, do Who Wants to Be a Millionaire or Rags to Riches, as AKA, and then Hangman. So you have plenty to do. Good luck.